ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ತ್ರಿಪುರವಾಸಿನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆಯುವಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೀತವೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ದೇಶ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ, ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ತಾಲೂಕು, ಹೋಬಳಿ ಮಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಉದ್ಯಮದವರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಉದ್ಯಮದವರು ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್, ರ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚಸ್, ಬೈಟ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಆ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ.
Hi everyone. We are having a good event here because we are also getting a lot of people who are interested in having such innovative products. So we are Mosquitrap and we are having a lot of products for repelling the mosquitoes and flies, and we also are having repellents for rats. So if you want, I can also take you through few products which are very essential. So like if you are going for if you want a Yes, if you are facing an issue of mosquitoes, you can go with these trappers, which are based on UV lights. So here you can see, because of the UV lights, it will be affected. It will be here attracted, and here we have a fan, because of which it will be killed, and here it will be in the jar. You can also replace. And this is a new product which you can see. It is also a zapper, and here because of the UV lights it will be attracted. We also have sticky pad where the mosquitoes will be stick. You can also see a proof of that here. Other than this, we also have this, which is electric based, where the mosquitoes will be getting a shock, because of which it will be killed. And other than this, we are also having repellers for rats, which is this, which is having a beeping sound and a flash, because of which the rat repels. It covers around 1000 square feet. Other than, is it audible? Yeah. So we are having a rat repeller here, which you can hear the frequency, because of which, just a second. So this is the frequency because of which the rat repels, and you can also adjust it if you want to increase or if you want to decrease. Anything you can do with this. And because of the flash, like whatever the flash we have, because of this you won't get any rats. It covers up to 1000 square feet, and it is best suitable for any industries or commercial areas. And we also have a different products. I'll show that. This is a new product that we have, and this machine is helpful with the LPG. We are having a wire here. You'll have to connect this to the LPG regulator, because of which the mosquitoes will be attracted from here, and it will be here in this box. You can also clean this box, and then again you can use it. It is best suitable for the open areas, lawns. You just have to take it and you have to move it, and it will be covering around 1000. We are having many such devices, and if you are looking for any solutions for your mosquitoes, rats, or any rodents, you can contact us in Koramangala store, which is in Koramangala 4th block. Even if you are in need of having a solution for your rats or the mosquitoes, you can contact us in Koramangala 4th block, near Sony Signal, opposite to Uti Chocolates. And our contact number is 9035015215. Thank you.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.